In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change number on Gcash. If you've recently switched SIMs, updated your contact details, or just want your account tied to a new mobile number, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do, clearly and safely. First, open the Gcash app on your phone. Before you attempt to update the number, there's one essential preparation. Unlink every account that's currently connected. Linked accounts can include bank connections, cards, or partner services, and they're attached to your existing number, so removing them first prevents conflicts during the switch. From the home screen, go to Profile. Inside Profile, find Linked Accounts. Open that list and, one by one, choose to unlink each connection. The app may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and complete those prompts until there are no linked accounts left. Take a moment to double-check that the list is empty. Once everything is unlinked, log out of the app. Logging out clears your session and brings you back to the sign-in screen, which is where you'll make the actual number change. On the sign-in screen, look for the option or icon that lets you change the mobile number. Tap it, then carefully enter the new number you want to use. Make sure the SIM for this number is active and within reach, because the app may send prompts to confirm it's really yours. Next, verify your account using a valid ID. Follow the on-screen instructions closely. Have your ID ready, use good lighting, and keep your details clear and readable. Make sure the information on your ID matches your Gcash account information to avoid delays. If you're asked to capture your ID and a quick selfie, hold your phone steady and keep the frame centered until the app confirms submission. After verification, the app will associate your Gcash account with the new mobile number. From this point on, you'll use that number whenever you sign in. Remember, any accounts you unlinked earlier remain disconnected, so plan to set them up again later, after the number change is complete. That's it. Open Gcash, unlink all linked accounts in Profile, log out, tap the number change option on the sign-in screen, enter your new number, and finish by verifying with a valid ID. Keep your connection stable, avoid sharing any codes with anyone, and take your time with each prompt. You're now ready to use Gcash with your updated number.